Welcome everyone to the first module of our training, Introduction to Global Peace Schools. Throughout this module, we will explore the core principles that define this educational model and how to apply them in different contexts. It is an honour to share this learning journey with you. This training is designed to provide teachers and community leaders with the necessary tools to promote the culture of peace in their schools and communities. Here are some key dates to keep in mind. We begin today, March 8th. The training will conclude on April 5th. The final project must be submitted between April 5th and April 12th. During the first week, you will receive a template to help structure your final project. To ensure effective learning, this training is divided into 3 key moments each week. Knowledge acquisition, Saturday. Every Saturday you will receive videos, reading materials and instructions in the WhatsApp group. Reflection and exchange of ideas, Wednesday. On Wednesdays, we will open a discussion space to reflect on the content. You can share your thoughts in the group or via email. Practice and application, Friday, weekend. By the end of the week, you will apply what you have learned by implementing an activity or designing a project idea, and you will be invited to share your experience with the group. What are Global Peace Schools? Global Peace Schools are educational environments that focus on 3 key areas: Czech peace education, fostering non-violence, and conflict resolution. Sustainability, promoting responsible interactions with the environment. Intercultural understanding, encouraging dialogue and collaboration among different cultures. This model aims to create inclusive and transformative learning spaces that empower students and communities to become agents of peace. Key principles of the model. Global Peace Schools are built on 3 fundamental pillars: sustainability, a holistic approach that connects the well-being of people, the planet, and economic prosperity with peace building. Intercultural understanding, encouraging cultural exchange, dialogue, and appreciation of diversity. Culture of peace, implementing non-violent communication, empathy, and restorative practices to prevent and resolve conflicts. Think about how these principles can be applied in your own school or community. Applying sustainability in education. How can we integrate sustainability into our educational spaces? Here are a few simple actions: promoting recycling and waste reduction projects, teaching students about climate change and environmental responsibility, encouraging eco-friendly school initiatives such as community gardens or conservation projects. Reflection activity. Identify a sustainable action you can implement in your school or community. Promoting intercultural understanding and diversity. In today's globalized world, fostering intercultural understanding is crucial for building peaceful societies. Here are some ways to integrate diversity in the classroom, including literature and stories from different cultures, organising activities that encourage students to learn about and appreciate other traditions, creating safe spaces for students to share their backgrounds and experiences. Example: a project where students collaborate with peers from different cultural backgrounds through virtual exchanges or storytelling activities. Building a culture of peace. Teaching peace is not just about preventing conflict, but also about promoting positive behaviours. Some essential elements include: 1. Non-violent communication. Teaching students how to express themselves with empathy and resolve conflicts peacefully. 2. Teamwork. Encouraging cooperation, active listening, and mutual respect. 3. Values. Education. integrating respect, solidarity and justice into everyday school life. Reflection. Activity. How can you introduce non-violent communication in your educational setting? Adapting the model to different contexts. One of the strengths of this model is its adaptability to urban, rural, and multicultural settings. In urban areas, schools may focus on community engagement and social responsibility projects. In rural areas, the emphasis may be on environmental education and local development initiatives. In multicultural environments, fostering dialogue and inclusion is key to sustain social harmony. Example: implementing dialogue circles to encourage meaningful conversations in different contexts. Designing peace projects. As we progress through this training, you will develop your own culture of peace project. Here are some key steps. Diagnose a need. Identify an issue affecting your school or community. Set clear objectives. Define what you want to achieve. Plan your actions. Outline specific activities and methods. Evaluate impact. Consider how you will measure success. Task. Think about a challenge in your educational environment and start brainstorming potential solutions. Final project, bringing peace into action. Each participant will design a culture of peace project for their school or community. You will receive a suggested format in the first week to guide you. The final project must be submitted between April 5th and April 12th. Your project can take different forms, such as community action plans, educational programs, social impact initiatives. This is your opportunity to apply what you've learned and create real change. Final reflection and closing. As we conclude this module, remember, the mission of the School of Peace includes promoting the joy and well-being of children. Peace begins with education and everyday actions. Each of you is a change agent capable of transforming your community. Global peace schools are a bridge to a more just and sustainable world. Next steps: continue reflecting on these concepts, participate actively, and start shaping your project idea. Thank you for being part of this journey. See you in the next session.